Hello. So today, gawa tayo ng about another random thoughts. And I've decided to create something about forgiveness. Minsan ba, dumating sa point ng buhay nyo yung may nakagawa ng kasalanan sa inyo, yet hindi humingi ng sorry. Pero because of maybe yung panahon na lumipas and the level of maturity na meron ka, napatawad mo na siya. Even without apologizing yung taong yun. I guess it's more of being mature in that situation, but most especially it's about having big heart to understand what really matters, like yung peace of mind mo. 'Di ba, parang kung alam mo naman sa sarili mo na yung taong yun yung nakagawa ng kasalanan sa'yo at hindi ikaw, hindi naman ikaw yung dapat mag-carry ng burden. Hindi ikaw dapat yung taong nag-iisip kung kailan mo siya dapat patawarin, kung kailan siya magsasorry, or kailan kayo magkakaayos. It's just that you just let it go yung mga bagay na hindi mo control. Yung expectations natin na dapat mas mababa. And yeah, hindi naman natin pwedeng kontrolin yung taong yun na, uy, mag-sorry ka naman sa akin. Kasi kung gugustuhin naman, may paraan eh. Pero kung ayaw, it will always be something na hindi worth it hintayin. Ayun lang. So, just a quick random thoughts. Bye.